Quiz numerical method. Number 1. The following are ways to verify whether there is a root in the interval a, b for a continuous function f(x). Okay. To show a root lies between a and b, we need to substitute one number value, a or b, and check the sign. Okay. The sign for fa, fb is different signs. If FA is negative, FB should be positive. So the sign for FA and FB changes as this is true. Okay? And when negative times positive, answer should be negative. So FA times FB less than 0 is correct. Okay? FA positive, FB negative. So this one is different sign, right? So for this option, FA times FB more than 0, positive. This is not correct. Okay, so the statement is true except this option. Answer is this one. Number 2, which of the following statement is false? For interval n, okay, when n interval n equals 10, correct? 6 sub-interval n equals 6, correct? 8 steps means n equals 8, correct? 7 ordinates show that n equals not 7. This is false. Okay? Number 3, in Numerical method, if we want to give our answer correct to 3 decimal places, then we need to use how many decimal places in the calculation of the iterations. So in calculation, we need to give extra 1 decimal. Means the answer is 4 decimal places. Okay, that is number 3. Number 4, the iteration formula for Numerical method is, okay, this one is minus. This is not the answer, not the option. And okay, f xn over f prime. Okay, xn plus 1 equals xn minus f xn over f prime of xn. So this is the option. Number 5, at which point the iterations in the Numerical method are stopped. In the Numerical method are stopped when the consecutive iterative values of x are equal. So this one not equal. Okay, equal. X differ by 2 decimal places, not correct. X differ by 3 decimal places. So the statement is, okay, stop when the x are equal. The values of x are equal. Okay. Number 6. What is the increment in x ordinate for this one, this statement, with 6 ordinates? 6 ordinates means n is equal to 5. We want to find the increment of in x ordinate. We want to find the width, means h. H is equal to b minus a over n. So b is 6 minus a equals 1 over 5. So 6 minus 1, 5. 5 over 5 is equal to 1. So the increment is 1. Okay, for number 7, use trapezoidal rule with 3 sub-intervals, n is equal to 3, to estimate, okay, integrate this function square root of 1 plus sine x from 0 to pi over 4 with respect to x. Correct to 2 decimal places. So first, okay, draw this table, and this is x, and this is the function 1 plus sine x. Okay, so starting with the x node. Okay, find the these are ordinates. So n is equal to 3 means ordinates is equal to. Okay, then we need to find h. H is the width of the trapezium. Trapezium. The formula is H is equal to B minus A over N. Okay, B, this is B. Pi over 4 minus 0 over 3. So, pi over 4 minus 0 over 3 is equal to pi over 12. Okay, you can write down in the decimal. Okay, make sure the answer is 2 decimal places, while calculating you need to give extra 1 decimal. So 3 decimal places. Okay, starting with the 0. Okay, this is 0. 0 plus pi over 12 here. Okay, so for x1, the answer is pi over 12. Okay, we have 4 ordinates. So 1, 2, 3 ordinate. And then the next step is plus pi over 12 is equal to pi over 6. Pi over 12 plus pi over 5, pi over 6. The next ordinate is a plus pi over 12. Then the next is for the fourth ordinate, that is pi over 4. The last one, B. Starting with the 0. Okay, and then okay, this is B, and that is B. Okay, so this part is ordinate 1, 2, 3, 4. Ordinate 4. Okay, then here is subinterval. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 trapezium. Okay, 3 subinterval. So, okay, next step. Okay, substitute in this formula in the calculator. So, check the calculator. Okay, on. Okay, and then this is 2 decimal places. Okay, fix to 1 to 3 decimal places. Easy for you. Okay, next step, trigo. Sin x is trigo. Change to radian mode. Okay, the radian mode. Number 2. So in radian. Okay, now substitute. Okay, in the calculator. Square root. Okay, square root. This is old version of the calculator. Maybe you have new one, new version. Okay. Insert. Here is you need to use bracket. This is old version. Bracket 1 plus sign. Okay, in bracket. Sign in bracket. This old one version. And this x. X is variable. Means you need to hit the button alpha x and close for sign x. Close for all. The button calculate what is x. Okay, and okay, substitute 0. Then answer is 1. Okay, first the answer is 1. 1. This is y 0 1. Hit the button calc again, and x. X is pi over 12. So shift pi over 12 equal to 1.12. This is y1. y2 right here in this column. Hit the button calc again, and x. X is pi over 6. Pi over 6 is equal to 1.225. Okay, and the last one is y3. Hit the button calc, and x is equal to pi over 4. Shift pi over 4 equal to 1.307. Okay, after that, okay, for this column, the second column, y0 plus y3. So 1 plus 1.307 is equal to 2.307. Okay, for this part, this column, y1, y1 plus y2, 1.122 plus 1.225 is equal to 2.347. And the formula, write down the formula. The integration from 0 to pi over 4, okay, square root of 1 plus sine x, respect to x, okay, approximate. H is pi over 12 over 2, okay, and this one 2.307 plus 2 times 2.347. Calculator, give answer. This is pi over 27. Yeah, substitute here. Okay, answer 7. Then, okay, suppose calculator equal to 0.9163 or 0.92. Why? Because of 2 decimal places. Okay, so here actually, okay, you can give answer for y not 1, or you can write 0.000. Okay, because this is exact number. Okay, stop here. Okay, so the answer is 0.92. This is the option. The option is 0.92. Settle for this part. Number 8 for the data. Okay, this data. Okay, the value of this integration from 0 to 2 for the function fx, okay, with respect to x by trapezoidal rule. Okay, from this one change to the table, different table. And to the table. When x is equal to, this is x, 0, and x is fx, then this is fx. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then when x is equal to 0, fx is equal to 8. Okay. When x is equal to 1, fs is equal to 5. Okay, and then when s is equal to 2, x is equal to 6. Okay, this is x1, x2, x3. Okay, so for x1, okay, x1, okay, 8 squared, 64 right here. For x2, 5 squared, 5 is 25 right here. Then 6 squared right here, 36. And then total 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. Okay, 100. And here 25. Then substitute in the formula. The formula is the integral 0 to 2 this function, okay, is equal to approximate h over 2 y0 plus y2 plus 2 y1. Okay, this is y0, y2, y1. Then substitute. So we're going to find h. Okay, h. To find h, okay, h is equal to b minus a over n. So b here is b, a, substitute ba, b2 minus 0 over n. So how to find n? N is, okay, check this ordinate, first, second, third, 3 ordinates. 3 ordinates means that n is equal to 2. Let's sub into box. Then 2 minus 0 over 2 is equal to 1. Okay, h is equal to 1. So 1 over 2. Okay, this part y naught plus y1. Okay, 100 plus, okay, 2y1 is equal to 25. Then, okay, calculate. We get this one is equal to 75. Okay, 50 plus 100, 150. Divide by 2, 75. Say 75. Okay, so this is the option. Settle number 8. Number 9. Given that the equation f(x) is equal to 0 has a root in the interval from 2 to 3, using Numerical method, the root correct to 2 decimal places is, so we need to find root. Okay, root into decimal places. The root lies between 2 to 3. So this one, let's say initial value is 2.5. The 2.5 in the middle of 2 and 3. So the formula for Numerical method is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus fxn over f prime xn. So fx is equal to fx given is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 1. So differentiate fx, okay, answer is x squared minus 8x. Starting with the x naught equal to 2.5. Then we're going to find x1. x1, okay, here is 2.5 minus, okay, here is fx. Okay, substitute 2.5 cube minus 4, 2.5 squared minus 1, close, okay, square bracket, over f prime of x. 6 times 2.5 squared minus 8, 2.5, and close. And, okay, write down the answer in 3 decimal places. Extra 1 decimal place. Okay, so here, okay, the formula is given here. Okay, before that, okay, hit the formula e x, okay, x, okay, x n plus 1 is equal to x. X is a variable, so that one is you need to hit the button alpha x minus fx, take this one, okay, 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 1 over 6x squared minus 8x in the big. Okay, so now in this formula, do the calculator on calculator and check 2 decimal places fits. Okay, fits to, okay, fits to number 1 to 3. 3 decimal places extra 1 decimal. Then the next step, okay, this is all, okay, this one is variable x. Okay, so we need to hit the button alpha x, the pink color. So alpha x, just take this part, this part, alpha x minus, okay, since this one is all version of calculator, we need to give into bracket. First for all, square bracket. The second is the first one, numerator. Okay, 2 times alpha x. Alpha x, this one is cube. Shift, okay, cube, minus 4 alpha x squared minus 1. Close bracket for the first numerator. Divide, open bracket for denominator. Okay, below here. 6 alpha x minus 8 alpha x. Close for denominator and close bracket for the second time for all. Okay, the next step, calc. Hit the button, calc. X. What is x? X is equal to 2.5. 2.5. So the answer is 2.200. Okay. So the next step, find x. Okay. X2. It is 2.200. Okay, and then here is 2.00 cube minus 4, 2.00 squared minus 1 goes over, okay, 6 2.00 squared minus 8 2.00 and close is equal to. Okay, we use the same formula, just hit the button calc and okay, substitute the value 2.2 and answer is 2.118. Okay, and then this is 2.2. Okay, round off 2.20. It is 2.118. Round off to 2 decimal, 2.1. This is not equal, so we need to proceed to the next x. Next step, find x3. Okay, here is 2.118 minus 2.118 cube minus 4, 2.118 squared minus 1 over 6 2.118 squared minus 8 2.118. Okay, 2.2, sorry, this is 2.2. 2.2. Okay. Okay, this one value. Okay, so the next step, and close cover is equal to calc and okay, in here 2.118. Answer is 2.112. Okay, this one is 2.12. This one is 2.11, not equal. Okay, so proceed to the next step. Okay, next step, x4. X4. So we use this for this value 2.112 cube minus 4 2.112 squared minus 1 over 6 2.112 squared minus 8 2.112 and okay, hit the button calc. Okay, in 2.112. So answer is 2.112. Okay, so round off 2.11, same value. Then stop until this step. So the answer, the root, okay, the root, okay, into decimal is 2.11. This is the option. The telephone number 9. Okay, or just find first and this one substitute 2.5 or x naught is equal to, then calculate the answer equal to 2 point this one, second one, and calculate the answer, the third one. Okay, and calculate the answer and the fourth this one, so this one S1, S2, S3, and last one is calculate answer 2.7. That's all. And then write down the steps. Okay, first find this one first. The answer, calculate answer, calculate answer, calculate answer until you get the same. Okay, when we round off the same number 2.11. Okay, settle for number 9. Okay, same procedure for number 10. The quadratic equation 2x squared plus 3x plus 8 equals 0 is to be solved numerically, starting with an initially value of x naught is equal to 2. The new estimate of x after the first iteration, x1, using Newton-Raphson method. Okay, we need to find x1. So the formula is same like number 9. Xn plus 1 equals xn minus f xn over f prime xn. Fx given is equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 8. In general form, change the function fx, then integrate fx, so get 4x plus 3. Okay, then use the formula to find x1. 2 minus 2 squared plus 3 2 plus 8 over 4 2 plus 3. Okay, then hit the calculator. Okay, this is one. Okay, number 1, clear all memory. Then this is just, you can substitute all and find this is the first iteration, or substitute the formula. Okay, let's say we want to substitute the formula. Okay, xn plus 1 x minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 8 over 4x plus 3. Okay, let's take this one. Okay. X variable alpha x minus bracket 2 alpha x squared, okay, plus 3 alpha x plus 8, close for numerator, divide, open for denominator. 4 alpha x plus 3, close for denominator and close out. X not okay, initial value is 2, and then answer is 0. The answer is 0. And double check, make sure double check. That's 0. This is the option, so this is the answer. Okay, or check manually to get x is equal to 0. So that's all for the quiz.